The world around us is evolving faster than ever. Technology is accelerating, and AI is reshaping industries, automating tasks, and transforming how we work. But in this fast-paced revolution, one question stands out. Which jobs are truly safe from AI? First, mental health professionals. Therapists and counselors work with human emotion, trauma, and healing. AI can mimic conversation, but it can't offer true empathy or understand the depth of human experience. Healing requires a human connection that no machine can replicate. Second, creative artists. Writers, painters, filmmakers. Real creativity is not just about producing content, it's about feeling, perspective, and soul. While AI can generate images or texts, it lacks the lived experience and emotional depth that make great art meaningful. Third, skilled trades. Electricians, plumbers, carpenters. These roles demand hands-on expertise, adaptability, and quick thinking in unpredictable environments. No robot or AI system can match the precision and problem-solving needed on a construction site or in someone's home. Fourth, educators. Teaching isn't just about sharing information. It's about inspiring, mentoring, and guiding. Good teachers adapt to student needs, motivate learning, and build confidence. AI might help with quizzes or tutoring, but it can't replace a real mentor. Finally, ethical decision makers. Judges, social workers, humanitarian leaders. These roles involve navigating complex moral choices. Algorithms can't understand context, values, or compassion. Real judgment comes from human conscience. AI will change how we work, but not who we are. The future still needs empathy, creativity, ethics, and connection. Those are jobs only humans can do. For more such update, follow us and visit our website. Link is in the description.